this spreadsheet will help you to track the projects that you're working on, the inventory that you have, and what you are wanting to buy. This sheet is available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I'm going to show you real quick how it works. Okay, so this is the project that we are working on. So we can say what the status is. Let's say we are working in progress for that project. And this is going to be a cute blanket. Let's call this the zigzag blanket. The type from the drop down box, you can choose what it is, blanket, and then the color, mint. And then we can put the yarn brand on here. And then how many skeins are needed for this project. Let's say 6. Your needle size you can put on there. And then what date did you start it? And then how much did it cost you to do this project? How long do you think it will take you to complete it? And then the date you complete it. So once it's complete, you can check it off on the left, and then we can put the date. This will calculate how much you've spent on all of your materials and how many projects that you have been working on. All right, this next one is your yarn inventory. So we can put the name of the yarn, the brand name, if there's a link to the store or a storefront that you buy it from, and then description, pretty yarn. The color, let's say it's multicolor. The cost per skein. The content. The needle gauge that you're going to need. The length in yards. The weight in ounces. The crochet hook size. And the plan for the item. We're going to use a blanket. I'm going to do a blanket. The link for the pattern if you have one online, and then if you need any more or if you have too much. And this last one is a wish list. So if there's things that you want to buy, patterns or yarn, you can put that as well. So we'll put the item. This is going to be pretty yarn. Here's the link that we want to buy it, the brand name, if there's a store or a link to the store, and the description. This is going to be pink and purple. Soft. And then the cost per skein, and then if you've purchased it or not. Any notes as well. So that's how this sheet works. Super easy to use and wonderful to keep you organized. Feel free to take a look at my website at all of the other hobby type of spreadsheets that I have. I have covered most hobbies, I believe. If there's something I'm missing, feel free to let me know what you need. I have over 400 sheets available on my website to help you with your hobbies, organizing your home, your business, your budget, and more. Again, I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and you guys have a great day.